Team Audiopipe?
Yes.
All right.
Shop everything audio at 12 volt beyond, link in the description, and use discount code JacobViral to save. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's up, Jacob? Could you tell me real quick what's in here and then I'll give me a demo?
Alright, so there's 8 Audiopipe BDL 315s, 4 Audiopipe APNK 4K, 2 Audiopipe APNK 2504s, one running the back doors, one up here in the front.
Alright.
One Singer alt, one Mechman alt, 6 Excess Power D3100s. Voltage is a little bit low today, but we're still gonna send it.
Alright. Team Audiopipe?
Yes.
Alright. Have you ever got a meter score? What was the highest you got out of it?
158.6, I believe, at 28.
Okay.
No, 156.8 at 28.
At 28 hertz, okay.
And a 159.0 at 41.
Wow. Almost a 60.
Almost.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna go look under the head and look at the amp real quick. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, sir. to meet you again, man. Team Audiopipe. Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.